Hello everyone, very good afternoon all of you. How are you all? Good afternoon, good afternoon. Here operating system, numerical and theory. So many questions are there which we are going to cover here. Theory, numerical, everything. So many topics are there, and operating system is a subject from where you are getting comprehension type questions, right? So you are getting always comprehension type questions from this subject. So that's why in this class we are going to cover all these topic, theory, numerical, everything. So please watch the video till the end. You are with me? Yes, you are with me till the end. Those who are live, just let me know. Yes, ma'am. We are. Yes. So we will do each and every topic. So many things I came here with you. I am going to discuss. So let's start without wasting time. Yeah, all are ready? Ready, steady, start. Good. Yeah, very good, very good. Audio, video, everything clear? So please inform your friends that yes, we are live now, and we will do operating system revision first. Some maths, some theory, like that we will do. Okay, so here this is the first question. December 2024 question came from your CPU scheduling. All the CPU scheduling algorithm they ask. So take your pen and paper. Without pen paper, don't come to the class. I am computer science students, but I am not solving maths. I am not doing numerical. I am thinking about only question will be theory. Please don't expect that. Theory, numerical, both are there. Without numerical, computer science not possible, and operating system too definitely not possible. Right? So, yes, tell me, what is the answer for this? Quickly do it. Here it is given. Lower number indicate the higher priority. It is given to you priority. Which of the following value of average waiting time using priority scheduling? Using priority scheduling, you have to solve the question. Answer. Solve quickly. Okay, I'm getting answer from Srinivasulu. Okay. Yes, 8.2 is the correct answer here, because you are getting here process time, burst time and priority, and it was given that priority, lower priority indicate the lower number indicate higher priority. So according to that you will get first of all you can see the low priority is this one. That's why we are starting with P2, right? So we will start with P2. After that next priority is 2. That's why P5. So we will go for P5. Then P1, then P3, then P4. Your NAT chart will looks like this. After the NAT chart you have to think about the completion time, that is C. So you have to take from this way. You are filling the completion time. Turnaround time means completion time minus arrival time. So 16 minus here arrival time is not given. You can see that it is not given any arrival time here. So that's why it is same. Here actually turnaround time and completion time will be same. Waiting time will be turnaround time minus burst time. That is your waiting time. So 16 minus 10 is 6. 1 minus 1 it's 0. Like that way you are getting the waiting time here. So average waiting time means you will do the total, and after that you will divide by 5. You are getting this answer 8.2. So answer is 8.2 here. Next question is this. Here you can see again they ask, it is comprehension type question of December 2024. Again they ask here the CPU burst time. This is the millisecond. So whenever you are going with millisecond time, arrival time, burst time is given. It is in highest response ratio next. Acha, those who don't know what is highest response ratio next and how to do the highest response ratio next, for that, particularly for this question, I have uploaded one video long back ago. I have uploaded that video. You can check that video in this channel only. It is available. So you will highest response ratio. Please watch that, because if I am explaining again, then it will be the waste of time. Here it is lengthy process. You need some time to understand that. So please watch that video. I have done this. This question is done actually. Here your answer is, I am not explaining again. But what is the main tips? Main tips is that each and every time whenever you are calculating the response ratio is waiting time plus burst time divided by burst time. So waiting time you need to calculate according to the current time where you are minus the arrival time. This is your waiting time. So each and every time slot whenever one is completed, then each and every time slot we have to check that what is my waiting time. Each and every waiting time we have to calculate, and after that we have to calculate the response ratio. For each and every one we need to calculate the response ratio. After that, which one is highest, that will get the chance. You can see the response ratio of P3 is 2.5. That's why P3 is getting chance. Same way at the time of 7. When the time is 7, then again you have to check the waiting time for everyone. Then you need to do the response time with the formula. Then you will see that this is the highest response ratio, P2. So P2 will get the chance. Same way at time 10 you will calculate the response ratio, and after that P5 will get the chance. Like this way you will complete it and you will get this total table. After getting total table, same thing we will apply. This is turnaround time. But another thing, it was asking you the weighted turnaround time. Question is not turnaround time. Question is weighted turnaround time. Weighted turnaround time means turnaround time divided by burst time. Okay. Turnaround time divided by burst time. So turnaround time divided by burst time, whenever you are doing total turnaround time, you will do divide by the burst time, that is 5. So you will get this total. Yes, so you are getting this total. So finally you will get the answer here. Okay? Okay? Clear? Is that clear? Those who did not watch that, okay, separately also you can calculate total turnover whenever you are doing waiting time. Here you can do that turnaround time divide by burst time. Separately also you can do this one divide by this one divide by this one. Every time you can divide. After dividing you can get the answer, or directly also here average turnaround time, then you will divide by 5. Okay, by applying this formula. Maybe it is hiding behind me, little bit hiding behind me, so you can check that. Here this question was little bit unknown question for you, how to do the highest response ratio and weighted turnaround time. This is the way you need to do it. Okay, we are going to the next question. So you are getting this answer here. Now you can see this is the next question. This is the next question. Quickly do it. The numericals are very important, or I am doing one thing. I will go a little bit fast. Those who want to do, you can later pause it and then do it, so that we can do it faster, right? Because it is little bit time taking where we are doing it. In the live class, if I am giving you too much time, then I think it will be Some people will feel boring. So I am showing the answer and I am telling you how to do that. Those who want to do it by yourself, you can do it. After the class, you can again replay the video. You can pause and you can do the answer. That will be better, I think so. Right? So here you can see how to do this. Completion time, you are getting this NET chart. According to it was non-preemptive and priority was given. Okay, here it is non-preemptive and priority was given, different priority. According to the priority, whenever you are going, then you are getting this turnaround time. After that, you will do this table and from this table, you are getting 5.6. 5.6 is the answer. Okay? Yes. Clear to everyone? Yeah? Okay. 5.6 is the correct answer here. Now do this. PDF is there for the paid learners. Paid learners, I have uploaded already all the PDFs. Only 499 rupees. There is a rank booster course. There are all the PYQs PDF, expected MCQ PDF, test series, everything is available. I hope 499 rupees is not at all very much difficult to spend. Those who want that, class, PDF, test series, everything you can access with 499 rupees. It is not at all too much difficult for you. Yes. Now here this question is, those who are thinking for PDF and all, you can go for this rank booster course. Here in this rank booster course, 479 plus 20 rupees. With that, you are getting 15 days validity. Here PYQs, expected MCQ, so many classes, 100 classes are there for practice and 50 test series are there. Subject wise test series, full length test series, paper 1 plus paper 2 test series also. It will be very much beneficial for you if you are taking it. Okay. After that also we will continue this course. Those who want for recorded version, PDF and all, you can take it. So here next question. Yes. Here this is the question you can see here. Here whenever we are coming with that, when we apply the shortest job fast scheduling algorithm, process P2 faces a particular starvation and wait. Longer time execution, which one of the following algorithm addresses this problem? This is solved by highest response ratio next, because in each and every particular time we are focusing on the response ratio. According to the response ratio, which response ratio is more, we are choosing that one. According to that, that's why the starvation will be not there. That's why the problem was there in shortest job fast, that starvation problem. That starvation problem will be overcome with this HRRN, right? So that's why your answer is this one. Now another question is this: what is the average waiting time for the non-preemptive shortest job fast SJF? So one thing I have to mention, that if you think that if after paying you will be able to download all the PDF, no, PDFs are not downloadable. PYQs, MCQ, all the PDF you will be accessed into app only after payment also. Because I believe that those who are downloading PDF and dumping PDF, they are not able to crack the exam. If you take the course, if you practice properly from the test series and from the PDF and by watching the classes, then you will crack it. So if you want to crack it, then you can do. If you think that I want to download all the PDF, you can't do that. So don't come here. Okay. Yeah. Don't come to me to download the PDF. I am guiding those students, those who want to learn and those who want to crack in a less time. come to me for that. Downloading PDF, go anywhere, I am not for you. So here it is, whenever you are going with this SJ, shortest job fast scheduling. Shortest job fast means here always one mistake students are doing. You will think that 5, 3, 2, 1. You will think that I will start with 5. This is the blunder mistake for shortest job fast. Whenever you are doing shortest job fast, you have to check arrival time. Any type of algorithm, arrival time is important. If the process did not arrive, then how you will run the process? Although it is shortest one, but it did not arrive. At time 0, P1 arrived only and it is non-preemptive version. So there is no way P1 will get the chance. After that, here the P2 arrival time of this one you can see. So that's why P2, P3 will get the chance. That's why your NET chart will be like this: P1, then P3, because out of P2 and P3 you can see P3 is the shortest one. That's why next P3 will get the chance. And after that, now when time is 7, here after executing of P3, now time is 7. Now at that time P5 arrive. Now P5 arrive because P5 arrive at 6. Now you can take P5. This is very careful. Now you can take P5, then P2, then P4. This NET chart is very important where always people are doing mistake. So after this you are calculating, then you will get this chart and you will get the answer, that is 3.2. 3.2 is the correct answer. Very good everyone. Yeah, I can see those who are answering: Manisha, Manasmita, Jagan Mohan, Archana and Srinivasulu. Next one. Here it is, first come first serve algorithm was given. Turnaround time. Yeah. From Andhra. Okay. Hi. So for this one I am showing directly answer. Okay, I am not waiting. For this one your answer FCFS is very easy. First come first serve. Here also arrival time matters. At time 0 who arrived, you can see P1 arrived. That's why you are taking P1. Then after P1 then P2, because whenever arrival time is same, here also you need to think, whenever arrival time is same, you need to go with the process number. You will think that first P2 then P3 or first P3 then P2. You have to go for process number. So process number, that's why we are going with P2 then P3 then P4 then P5. So finally you will get this type of NET chart here. After getting this NET chart, you will get the turnaround time. Turnaround time is 35 and waiting time will be 7. This is the way you can calculate. Okay, so 7 is the correct answer. Now you can see the matching here. You can see this matching here. FCFS, SJF, round robin and priority scheduling. This question is August 2024. Very important chapter, CPU scheduling in operating system. If you are leaving this chapter, means you are doing blunder mistake. Theory, numerical, always, every time they are asking question from this chapter. High important. If you are starting operating system, means first you have to complete this chapter. Each and every scheduling algorithm. Yeah, option 3 is the correct answer because FCFS is process executed in the arrival. Just now after doing this numerical, it is very easy. So shortest job first, whenever you are doing this, select the execution time as per the smallest one. Very good everyone. Now you can see another numerical. This is also December 2024 question. The next important chapter, this is paging chapter. This is the next important chapter from where theory, numerical always you are getting. And comprehension type from operating system, if you are choosing the priority, I am telling you from 2018 they started comprehension type question till 2024. Most repeated comprehension type question from which unit? That is operating system. Multiple time. Every time they are asking question from operating system, that is 10 marks comprehension. So it is the high priority subject. And this chapter is also very important, from where they ask comprehension type question. We will do that. This is a very simple one. Yes, this is very simple one, because here we will do that frame main memory size divide by size of the page, and here it is most important KB, MB, GB and TB, this calculation. And first of all, the byte means 8 bit, and KB means 2 to the power 10, MB means 2 to the power 20, GB means 2 to the power 30, and TB means 2 to the power 40. This is most important. And 2 to the power 10 means 1024. So here you are getting it. It is 4 MB means 4 multiplied to 2 to the power 20 divide by 2 multiplied to 2 to the power 10. And whenever you are dividing, please don't do mistake in division. 4 multiplied to 2 to the power 20 and 2 multiplied to 2 to the power 10. So this will be actually 2 to the power 10. Whenever you are dividing, then it is minus. You have to do 20 minus 10, that is 10. Dividing means minus, multiplication means plus. Don't do mistake here. So you are getting answer 2048. Now next one. Thank you, Uma. Thank you, Uma. Sunil. Yes, here your answer is see look. By looking this one you can see. Actually see look, behavior of the see look you can see here. It is starting from here and it is ending till the end here. It is not going here. It is not going here. And here it is no service zone. And after that from here it is starting and here it is going. Right? So that's why it is see look. This is the behavior of the see look according to the behavior. So that's why your answer is here see look. Right. Now do this. Now do this. Each and every PDFs are not there available for free. Some of the PDFs are available. If you need all the PDFs, then go for paid course please. 499 rupees paid course is available. You can access the PDF as per your validity. You can't download it. Okay. Yeah. Now next one. Paging, LRU, C-scan, virtual memory. Everyone is busy in downloading and dumping PDF. You have to put it in your memory. Yaar. That is the biggest mistake. Everyone need PDF, but you don't think that you have to keep it in your mind. That is important, otherwise you can't crack exam. Yeah, so paging, LRU, C-scan and virtual memory. Paging is the concept. So paging is the concept where logical to physical, the conversion is going on between logical to physical. LRU, least recently used is what? That is least recently used. You can see here, very simple one. Now next one, here you can see this is a very conceptual question, very much conceptual question. Ways okay, answers are coming, very good. 76 is the correct answer, because here it is given 4 millisecond time quantum and there are CPU, there are 20 process total ready in the queue. Maximum amount of process wait before getting the CPU. So first it is P1 to P20. Okay, so when P20 will get the chance, maximum. Here round robin, you are going with round robin, and each and every time quantum is this one. So if P1, P2, P3, P4 everyone is getting chance, so P20 is getting chance after 19, total 19. So total 19 will be there, then 19 multiply into 4, so you are getting this answer, right? So 19 multiply 4 is the answer. Now here, a transaction may be following the states during the execution. This is the process sequence. This is the process sequence. Yeah, answers are coming. Very good. Here first process sequence is ready, then running. Between running and ready it can be primed and it will be possible. That is called preemption. Preemption can be there. So it is called short term scheduling. Here in this diagram everything is there, and after running it can be blocked also, or it can be terminate, and from the block it can come to unblock and ready. Here from the ready it can go to ready suspended. That is possible in medium term scheduling, right? Ready suspended. And here from the block it can come to block suspended. It can resume between them. After that it will be unblock. This is the sequence. So that's why here your answer is either A or C is possible. Either A or C is possible, because the question is transaction be following during the execution cycle, given that the transaction is active state in execution. Find the next state. It was active. In this situation, what are the possibilities is there? Either it can fail or it can be partially committed. Either fail or partially committed. That's why your answer is this one. Okay, these are the some important different types of operating system from where you are getting question. That is batch operating system, multi-programming operating system, multitasking operating system. Why not B? Why not B? Means option 2, only C not. It can fail also. It was active but it can fail also. Okay, just you are telling only C. It can be partially committed but it can fail also. You have to think about all possibilities. So the batch operating system, multi-programming operating system, multitasking operating system, time sharing operating system and real-time operating system. These are the very important. Very important. You can go through it quickly and I am going to ask you question. Multiple time questions are coming from here. Yes, I hope it is done. Very good afternoon. Yeah, so now you can see here, this is also will be helpful for you, real time OS. Yes, so here what is the main difference between, yeah, some of the things. See, the transaction concurrency and process, they are related. You are correct, they are related. So multitasking and multiprocessing, most of the time you are getting confused. What is multitasking, what is multiprocessing? Multitasking means the execution one or more tasks simultaneously. The example you can see that key one by one job it is doing. Okay, and here whenever you are going with multi-processing, availability of more than one processor, that is most important. Here multitasking means only one CPU is there. That main difference you need to see, only one CPU, and here more than one CPU. Okay, that's why it is called multi-processing. Multiple processors are there and it is multitasking. How it is achieved? By doing switching between one task to another task. Okay, so single user multitasking and multi-user multitasking possible. Here symmetric multiprocessing and asymmetric multiprocessing possible. So here you can see all the difference: multi-programming, multitasking, multi-threading and multi-processing. Very, very important difference. Very, very important difference. Quickly you can go through it. It will be helpful for your quick revision. Yeah, where mostly students are getting confused, that what is the difference between multi-programming, multitasking, multi-threading and multi-processing. Running multiple program on a single CPU. This is running multiple program on a simple CPU. Running multiple tasks on a single CPU. Running multiple thread on a single task application. Running multiple process in multiple CPU. This is the main difference between multi-programming, multitasking, multi-threading and multi-processing. Yes. Now you can see question. Here is a question. Yeah, here is the question. Thank you. The process memory allow the heap section. This is also most important. From which section what is going on? What is the use of heap section? Yeah, heap section dynamically allocated. From here also multiple time questions are coming and different questions, not only about operating system, different times questions are coming from this area. Text section, data section, heap and stack. Most important, heap and stack. Stack is using for local variable recursion, this purpose, and heap is for dynamic purpose. Most important. Multiple time you will get different question. Remember it. Okay. Yeah. Now you can see here. IPC, demand paging, banker's algorithm, PCB. Match it. I can see Ramaya, Manikanta, Srinivasulu, Monica, another name I am not able to read, Ranjita, Vijayalakshmi, Jayasri, Kodayaza, Manasmita, they are answering. What about others? Dinkar, Pushpa, Rajita, all are answering. Option 2 is the correct answer because IPC is inter-process communication. Right, that is inter-process communication means computational speed. Demand paging, on demand it is going to load. That is called demand paging. It is related with virtual memory. Banker's algorithm using for deadlock, that is resource allocation. PCB, process control block. Process control block, another name is task control block. Yeah. So here you can see the main concept between what is inter-process communication, shared memory and message passing. Two things are there. Semaphore concept is also coming in this chapter, which is most important. And here is the detail about the shared memory, message passing, pipe, socket and semaphore. These are the common IPC mechanism what we are using, and these are the key area, that shared memory, message passing, pipe and socket, semaphore. Okay. And what is demand paging and thrashing? So many times questions are coming from here. Demand paging technique Virtually it is like that ki on demand, whenever it will be required then it will be loaded, previously it will be not loaded. That's why it is called demand paging. Now thrashing, most of the time people are not able to understand what is thrashing. So thrashing is a term used to describe the state which excessive paging activity take place in the computer system, especially in the operating system. Use the virtual memory severally the performance is happening. Thrashing occur when system is high memory demand, low physical memory capacity causes to spend the large amount of time rotating the page into the main memory and secondary storage. So typically in hard disks. What is happening? The practical example of thrashing I am telling you. By reading this you are not able to understand what is thrashing. Actually thrashing is that CPU is trying to improve the performance. CPU is trying to show that in 1 unit of time I am able to do so many tasks. I am able to run so many process. So that's why CPU is busy in swap in swap out. It is taking so many process. It is giving the time for everyone. Okay, for P1 I am giving a slot, for P2 also I am giving slot, for P3 also I am giving slot. So CPU is trying to show that okay, 1 unit of time I am able to take 10 process like that. But actually to run one single process, what is the minimum requirement is not there, that is also not available. That's why the performance is drastically going down. That is called thrashing. It's very popular example I am telling that traffic. In the traffic signal, when in a very narrow road, if so many cars are coming and proper traffic rules are not there, so many cars are coming and anyone is not able to move, they are stuck, anyone is not able to move. So it is showing that in this road I am giving that okay, so many cars are able to go, but actually no one is able to move. This is the example of thrashing. Multiple times students are not able to understand what is thrashing. Just remember that in a small road, when too many cars are coming and they are stuck, they are not able to move anywhere, this is thrashing. Okay, so now do a numerical here. Now do this numerical. It is most important numerical from semaphore. Understood? Good. At a particular time of computational, here semaphore value is most popular question. This type of questions are coming again and again. Semaphore question. Yeah. So here it is very easy that x v operation where completes it, and if the final value of semaphore is 5, what is the value of x, right? So particular time here computational of semaphore value is 7 and 20p means wait, you have to do minus 20 and 20p operation and xv operation, xv means signal, so plus x. After that final value is 5. So what is the value of x? What I will do, x I will take here 5 plus 7, 5 minus 7, it will happen like that. So here is 5, you are taking this one and plus 20. This is actually happening. So it is 20 minus 2. 5 minus 7 minus 5 means minus 2 and plus 20. So you are getting here 18. So answer is coming 18. This is the way you can solve the question. Very easy one. Always remember, P means wait, wait means minus, V means signal, signal means plus. How many wait? Minus. How many signal? Plus. That is the simple rule. Now here one question from PCB, process control block. And all the YouTube learners pray for my setup. Again and again I am getting problem that is some electricity problem, UPS problem. Means lots of things are there, like okay, I need a UPS and the voltage fluctuating, so I took the UPS, and after that I need a jack for the UPS. So although I am trying to take class from there, but I am not able to do because anywhere I am getting stuck. So just pray for that, say everything will be settled down properly, so that tomorrow I can take class from digital board DBMS marathon I will take from there. Yeah, so here PCB, process control block, here the answer is A, C and D. B is not the answer, because why? PCB includes the program code and the data segment of the process. No, here it is controlling only. PCB is process control block, only controlling. Data structure, that is process control block. So memory uses, scalability, system performance and complexity, these all are there. But here this is not, B is not the correct answer, right? Yeah, ma'am, set solar inverter. Okay, solar inverter, great, I will check it. Okay, the next question is this one. Batch multi-programming, time sharing, monitor and re-entered procedure. Thank you, Ambedkar, thank you. I know that all of your prayer blessing is always with me. So here definitely here batch multi-programming, just now I told you the multi-programming, these are very important. Maximum processor use, that is the main target. At a time, degree of multi-programming it is trying to increase, that's why thrashing happen. Maximum processor use, when it is trying to improve too much, that's why thrashing is happening. So time sharing is minimum response time. Monitor is one type of just like semaphore concept. So here it is using for direct access the processor, and this one re-enter procedure, this is this one. So answer is this. It is, you can see the difference between time sharing and multi-programming. Just now I discussed with you also. So time sharing is a logical extension of multi-programming actually, and multi-programming is actually happening with the multiple processor. That is the main difference between time sharing and multi-programming. These terminologies are very important for your operating system. Okay, here this is your batch multi-programming. Monitor, you can pause after the class also and you can go with this. Now do this. Dhinkar, Jairaj, thank you. Here, page fault. This is next important question. Even also you can get here 10 marks comprehension also. That is possible. They can give a sequence, and from this sequence they can ask you the different types of page fault like FIFO, LRU, optimal. They can make it, and easily they can make a comprehension type question. Most popular is optimal and LRU. This two is most popular. So here you can see it's optimal. Solve it and do the answer. Yeah, I can see already. Very good, super fast, very fast. By Srinivasulu, Dhinkar, Jayashree, everyone is giving answer. 8 is the correct answer. How many? Optimal. Optimal is thinking about future. Okay. So it is asking you the page fault, how to do that, and how many frames are there. You can see 4 frames are there. So we will do like this, 4 frames. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 1, 6, 7, 8, 7 and 8. Now there are 4 frames. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are the 4 frames available for you. Now 1 is already missed because first time it is coming. Then 1, 2, this is also miss. 1, 2, 3, this is also miss. 1, 2, 3, 4, this is also miss. They are coming for first time. Now after that, whenever 5 is coming, you have to think about future. In future which is not going to use, that is I am going to replace. In nearest future which is not using. You can see 3 used, 4 also used, 1 also used. Only 2 is not using. Only this 2 anyhow it is not coming. In nearest future anyhow 2 is not coming. So that means 2 is going to replace with 5. So this is a miss. This is a miss. This one will be hit, this one will be hit, this one will be hit. And no need to do. This is going to miss. 6 is going to miss. 7 also going to miss. 8 also coming for first time. It is also going to miss. Now next time whenever 7 is coming. Next time whenever 7 is coming, actually it will be not replaced. So that means it will be a hit. And this will be also a hit. Like this way directly you can do it. Yes or no? Like this way directly you can do it without wasting time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I am not filling the table. Without filling table also you can do it. For your understanding, I can fill the table, but ultimately same answer will come. Same answer will come. You can see that here it will happen 4, 3, 1. After that it will same, that is 4, 3, 5, 1. It will be same 4, 3, 5, 1. It will be again same 4, 3, 5, 1. Now whenever 6 is coming, you will think about future. Which one is not coming in future? Actually out of this 4, 3, 5, 1, any one of this is not coming. So no problem, I can replace 4. So 6, 3, 5, 1. Right. Now next one whenever it is coming, I can replace 7 also. So 7, 3, 5, 1. Now next time whenever 8 is coming, I am going to replace 3 maybe. So 7, 8, 5, 1. Then after that this one will be definitely hit. 7, 8, 5, 1 and again 7, 8, 5, 1. So no need to do fully. Without doing full, you are getting answer. Right? So you need to apply these tricks because in exam hall don't waste your time. Optimal means very easy. Easily you can do without feeling how I did it. Same answer will get. Without feeling also you can do it. With paying your attention. Now you can see LRU. Another question. Do it quickly. I am just filling the table. And within that time you can also do and you can also answer. Answer. LRU, page replacement using frame size 3. What will be the page fault? How many page fault? Least recently used. Mostly students are doing mistake with FIFO. FIFO and LRU is not same. Mostly students are doing mistake here with FIFO. FIFO and LRU is not same. Answers are coming. Yeah, answer is 10 only. How to do that? See, here 4 is coming, it is fault. 4-3 page fault. 4-3-2 page fault. Now whenever 1 is coming, it is going back, which is not recently used. I am going to replace. FIFO also will replace this 4. LRU will also replace this 4. So 4 I am going to replace. 1-3-2. This is miss. Again now 4 is coming. Again I will see opposite direction, that okay, 1 just recently used, 3 not recently used. So 4-2-1. This is also again miss. Again whenever 3 is coming. So whenever again 3 is coming, I am going have to think about future. Past, it is thinking about past, recently not recently used. So 4-1-2 not recently used, 3-4-1. It is again going to miss. 5. So now you can think that yes, what is the situation here? 3-4-1. In this situation again you have to see that 3-4 just recently used. I am going to replace again. So 5-4-3 again. Now 4 is the hit. This is the hit here. So 3-4-5. It is the hit. Again 3 is the hit. Again 3-4-5. It is also hit. Now 2. Now here your FIFO and LRU will change. If you are thinking about FIFO, your answer will be different. If you are thinking about LRU, your answer will be different. When 2 is coming, you will think out of 3, 4, 5, which one came first, I will replace that one. But here according to LRU, as this 3 and 4 is hit now, so that's why I am going to replace 5. I am going to replace 5 here. So this 2 is hit. 5 will be replaced with 2, 4, 3. So this is a miss. Now next 2 will be also miss. No need to do. Don't waste your time. Because 1 is not there. This is also going to miss. 5 is not there. This is also going to miss. Somewhere definitely save your time. Don't waste your time. So you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 is the page fault. Each and every second is important in your exam hall. Wherever you are able to save it, save it. Anyhow, actually after this one no need to do. Actually after this one also you can stop. Because this is going to miss and this is going to hit. This is going to hit and these are miss. Right? So saving time is most important. Yeah. Now do this. You need to learn these techniques, that how to save your time by practicing more. Everyone will fight for time. List recently used. Here list recently used, critical section, loosely coupled and distributed operating system. With the matching, your concept is revision is getting very faster. All the topic you are able to revise quickly. Yeah, very good. Option C is the correct answer. How? Because least frequently used. Least frequently used. Which is frequently used? You can see the page replacement policy in cache. So this one. So A with 2, here you can see A with 2, here you can see A with 2. This is not your answer, this is not your answer. This is the way how quickly you can solve. Always learn the habit how quickly you can solve. Here you can see that now B, if I am thinking about B, then I can take the decision. So critical section, the program section, that being this one. Definitely critical section is this one. Memory for distributed, not. So I can eliminate the answer and I can do it. No, without reading C and D also you can do the answer. Right? That this is the reason most of the time students are not getting time. Because they are reading everything. Okay, what is there in A, B, C, D? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, match A, B, C, D. After that coming to option, okay, this one, okay, like this you are doing, and 5 minute wasting, 5 minute wasting, right? So this is the wrong way. Always think that, okay, with the first one I got it, then and there eliminate, and after eliminating, okay, what are the options, then do it and done. Don't waste your time. Wasting time is not good. Okay. Yeah. Thank you for asking. I will take my lunch after the class, because after taking lunch, if I am sitting now, then I am not able to talk, and after that I am feeling problem. So that's why I thought, okay, before lunch only I will take the class. After that I will take the lunch. Thank you for asking. Yeah. APSC degree lecture. Okay, degree lecturer, PSC exam will be same. PSC exam, HPSC exam I have discussed, and APSC also we will discuss. When is your exam? July, right? July, I think, APSC. Yeah. So loosely coupled and tightly coupled, this is very, very important concept. Loosely coupled system, type of multiprocessing where individual processes are configured with their own memory. They have their own memory and capable to execute operating system instruction independently. That's why it is telling loosely coupled. Okay. And tightly coupled means when they are sharing memory. They don't have their own memory. Then it is called tightly coupled. Yeah. Yes, I know 15 July is your exam. So after 26th, I will be free. Then I will start your APSC. I have prepared your slide. I collected all your previous year's questions. Slide also I have prepared. Just I am waiting after 26th. I will focus on APSC. Don't worry. APSC is there. HPSC full length descriptive is also there. We will do that. No problem. At least more 1 hour I will do. 2:30, by 2:30, okay, no problem. I had my breakfast, heavy breakfast, no problem. Assertion and reason. A process involves a library function to create the thread. Reason, the thread makes the system call convey the resource of IO requirement to the kernel. Yeah, answers are coming. Answers are coming. Here also, most I am telling you again and again. Most important, whenever like Gulshan did the mistake, common mistake, that here assertion and reason, whenever both are true, then and there don't say it is the correct explanation here. If you are getting the answer why, if you are getting that why because, if you are getting why this is true, then only say, otherwise not. Is it a supportive document? The process involve library function to create the thread. Now here it is the thread makes, this is two different statement. The reason is not supporting the assertion. That's why it is not a correct explanation. Always ask yourself why. Am I getting correct answer? I am not getting any proper answer. If you are asking me what is your name, I am telling you I ate mango. Is it correct answer? No, right? So are you telling that okay, it is the correct explanation? What is your name? I ate mango. So you are able to understand it is not a correct explanation. Same way when assertion reason is there, you are asking why. Am I getting the correct answer? Am I getting the correct reason? Then if you are asking me that why you are wearing jacket, where you are wearing jacket, if you are asking me, and I am telling that okay, I am I am walking, or okay, where you are wearing jacket, I am telling my name is Priyanka. Then is it a correct explanation? Why you are wearing jacket? My name is Priyanka. Arey bhai kya hua? It is not a correct explanation. Think like that. Okay, always think like that whenever you are doing assertion reason. Otherwise mistake will happen. Ask yourself why. Am I getting correct answer? Then only true, otherwise not. Okay. Here clear? Clear? Yes. Now do this. Here this is a very conceptual question. Yes, they are not related to each other. They are not relevant. They are not related. This is one is not supporting another one. Reference bit 0, modified bit 0. Here 0 1, here 1 0, here 1 1. All combination. It is like Boolean algebra truth table 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Then you need to match with list 2. Yeah. Super, very good. I am getting answer from Khodayaza Maha Jayasri. Very good. So here how to decide? Reference bit means it is just reference as per the LRU concept. What we are telling, that least recently used. Which one recently used? That is I am not going to replace. Means it can be used again. That's why I am not going to use this one. Reference bit 1 is telling that yes, it is just now used. And modified bit means we are working two memories, secondary memory and main memory. You are loading from secondary memory to main memory. Now one memory you did change. That's why you need to rewrite it in another memory. Otherwise there will be data inconsistency. So after modification, that the modified data is set to 1. Whenever it's set to 1 means it's need to rewrite. It's need to rewrite. That is the meaning. So that's why when you see the reference bit 1 and modified bit 1, both are 1. Both are 1 means this is the probably will be again soon and need to write out. So D is with 2. This is with this one only you can do the answer. No need to match everyone. Okay. A this, B this, C this. Okay. Some people are doing like that. Okay. A this one, B this one, C this one, D this one. Okay, then come to option. Okay, this is the option. Don't do that. Always see that wherever focus it, mark it, check the option, do it. Eliminate other option. Save your time. Okay, do this. This is a comprehension type question from paging. Very important comprehension. In 2021 they ask. Again they can repeat this concept. Very important concept. If you are not getting comprehension, then also you can get normal numerical, means 2 to 4 question you can expect. Rajita, FIFO. FIFO is easy. First in, first out. Just you have to go back. Which one came first, that one you are going to replace. Okay, Rajita. Five question came from this topic only. Answer, I can get answer from Srinivasulu only. What about others? All are eating. All are busy in eating, taking lunch. 2:30 you can take lunch. 2:30 I will leave you. Quickly give me the answer. Yes. So D is the correct answer. Next question. I will solve. After doing it, I will solve. Okay, everyone is answering. Quickly do this one. Solve 5 questions, then I will solve one by one. Do this one. Okay, answer coming. Good. I can see answer from Jairaj. Next. Yeah. No, Sriniva Shulu, answer is wrong. Are you giving previous answer? Okay, previous answer is 3. Next one. This one, answer is offset, answer is 12. Next one. Yes. Here the answer is this one. Page table entry size is 2 byte. So what is the size of page table? And next, last one, the internal fragmentation. What is internal fragmentation? Yes, internal fragmentation is 2 KB. Option 2 is the correct answer. Now I am solving question one by one. So you will get the answer here. Those who are not able to understand, understand, it is very, very important. Okay. Consider the machine 16 GB main memories. From this main memory means you are getting here physical address. From main memory you are getting here physical address. 16 GB means 2 to the power 4 multiply into 2 to the power 30. That means it is 2 to the power 34. So 34 bit. Physical address is 32 bit, 34 bit. You got here. Physical address consists of frame number and offset. So 34 bit physical address. It is taking frame number and offset. These two things will be there. 32 bit, this is your physical address. This is your physical address. And virtual address or logical address. Sometimes we are calling it logical. Logical address. It is the combination of page number and offset. The offset size will be same for physical address and virtual address. Offset size is same. So you are getting here 32 bit. It is already given 32 bit virtual address. Size, page size is telling you offset 4 KB. 4 KB means 4 multiply into 2 to the power 10 means it is actually 2 multiply 2 to the power 2 multiply into 2 to the power 10, that is 2 to the power 12 means 12 bit is offset. So from here you are getting 12 bit is offset. Okay. So here also 12 bit will be the offset. Now frame size and page size is same always. Frame size, page size means offset. Offset means actually page size or frame size. Now given machine, the minimum, what is the minimum number of bit needed in the physical address? Physical address, just now I have calculated that 32 bit. From here only we did it. So the 34. So that's why we got the 34. Now the next question was that find the number of page required for the virtual address. That means I need to do the number of bit for page number. Here 32, here 12. So what will be my answer? 32 minus 12, that is 20. So 20 bit is there for the page number, and for the frame number 34 minus 12, that means 22. 22 bit is there for the frame number, right? Yes. So 20 bit is there for page number means how many pages are there? 2 to the power 20 pages. 2 to the power 20 pages will be there. To store the page number 20 bit means 2 to the power 20 pages. That's why here you are getting 2 to the power 20. Next question was their offset. Just now we have calculated offset is 12. Directly we have calculated from here. Now the next was that the page table entry is 2 bytes. So what is the page table size? So how to do the page table size? The page table, how many entries will be there? Total number of entry will be equals to number of pages. So number of pages are 2 to the power 20. So 2 to the power 20 entries are there. Each and every one you are storing here 2 byte, it is given. So this is 2 byte. So 2 to the power 20 multiply into 2. So 2 to the power 20 multiply into 2 means what? Directly we can answer 2 MB, because 2 to the power 20 means MB, and 2 then multiply 2 to the power 20, that means it is 2 MB. So directly you can answer this is 2 MB. Now the internal fragmentation. What is the meaning of internal fragmentation? Some area is there, you have allocated something already, and this is wastage. This wastage is called internal fragmentation. Now you have to think how many wastage are there. Here you can see the frame size, page size, same it is given. The process 34 KB. 34 KB process executing in this machine. So the size of the internal fragmentation. Okay. So what will be? Page size is given 4 KB. So each and every page can accommodate 4 KB. So if I am doing 34 divide by 4. So I am getting 32. After that 2 is remainder. 2 is remaining. Means total 8 page will be completed. Total 8 page will be completed. That are completely full. Now 9th number page you have allocated 2 and remaining 2 is the wastage. Here the total is 4 KB. 2 KB you have allocated. This remaining 2 is wastage. This wastage is called your internal fragmentation. That's why your internal fragmentation is 2 KB. Previously all 8 is already full, because 8 multiply into 4, that is 32. After that 2 extra. In this one, this 2 is remaining till now. So that's why it is your internal fragmentation. Right? You can do directly mod operation also. If you are doing directly mod operation, for your understanding I did directly mod operation, you are getting here 2. So 2 is your answer. Clear? Clear concept? Pakka? No pause. No pause. No break. Do this. Theory. Just now numerical theory. Numerical theory. I mixed your class like that, so that you will not feel boring and you will not feel scared also. I am asking so many numerical. I am not able to do. I am getting scared about math. So don't think. So that's why theory is also there. Numerical is also there. Okay. Do this one. Do it, do it. Yeah. Zombie is not the answer. Fun, you are giving wrong answer. If the operating system does not allow the child process exit into the parent, has been terminated, this phenomena is called cascading termination. Now understand that why it is cascading termination. When a process creates a new process, the identity of the newly created process is passes to the parent. When the parent process is terminating, I am passing but it is terminated. So then all the children will be also terminated. This cascading concept is there in DBMS also, right? In DBMS also we are doing that. If this is my parent, all the child, first you have to block all the child, you have to delete all the child, then only you can delete the parent. So this is called cascading termination. What is then zombie, what is orphan, what is demon? So orphan process means which don't have parent, that is called orphan, right? So child process remain after the parent. Parent already died, parent already out of the scope, but till now child is there. That's why this is called your orphan process. What is demon process? Demon process are those process which is starting at the time of bootstrap and terminating only after shutdown. It is starting at the time of bootstrap and terminating at the time of shutdown. This is called the demon process. The orphan process and demon process you understand? Now the next one is the zombie process. Just now I told you here is the difference between zombie, orphan and demon, which is most important difference. You can see that the zombie process is this one. The zombie process has completed the task but till now it is there in the table. This is called zombie. It is completed the task but till now entry is there in the table. This is zombie. The child remains running but parent is not there. And demon means system related to the running at the in the background, means it is starting at the time of bootstrap and ending whenever you are shut down the computer. Clear? Concept clear? Zombie, orphan, demon, very important, and from here only you got the question. So this is cascading termination. This is not at all this concept. Okay, now do this. Again numerical, and Dick's numerical is also very important. One time Dick's comprehension also they ask. Dick's comprehension also they ask. For all the comprehension type question I have taken previously one class. You can watch that class. Total storage capacity of it is there, I think, in most important topic of computer science. In that playlist it is there. 80 tracks and 128 sector is this byte. Then how many sector does this Dick's have? Yes. So here simple answer we need to do here. Here actually answer is coming 160 KB floppy. Okay, here this is given in byte. Now you will think that how I will do it. So actually here you need to understand one thing. 2 to the power 10 means 1024. Okay, by looking this one you need to think that okay, what is this? This is actually 160 multiply into 2 to the power 10. If I am doing 160 multiply into 1024, then I am getting this type of value. So from here I can see that okay, this is 160 KB floppy. Then your calculation will be easy. Otherwise your calculation will be difficult. So 160 multiply into 2 to the power 10 divide by 80 tracks. So that's why 80. And 128 again convert into 2 to the power 7. You don't have calculator, right? Now if you are doing like that 163840 divide by 80, multiply into 128. Arey bhai, without calculator how to solve? You can't solve without calculator. That's why you have to do this. Convert it in 2 to the power, it will be easy for you. This is 160 multiply into 2 to the power 10, then 80 multiply into 2 to the power 7. It's super easy for you that okay, I will mark this is 2 and this one is 2 to the power 3. So 2 multiply 2 to the power 3, this is 16. Learn the trick from Unify Study, learn the trick from Priyanka ma'am. That is without calculator how to solve. That is important. Where you are getting stuck. Clear? Clear? Answer is D. Now do this. Thread spawn, block thread, jacketing, flush. What is this? What is this? Yes, you are not getting what is this. These terminologies are a little bit unknown to you, maybe. So here you can see that what are the meaning. I am telling you the thread versus process. This is very important. You know that the process has their own memory space and thread is the lightweight and allow the multitasking. Means parallelly you are dividing, that is called thread. Now thread operation. This is thread spawn. Creating a new thread execute in the task. Block thread. The thread is paused, that is blocked. Jacketing means wrapping non-thread safe operation to ensure the safe multi-threaded execution. Flush, forcing the buffer data to be written or processed immediately. And a thread life cycle, this is the thread life cycle, new runnable running, then block or wait and terminate it. And that's why your answer is coming this one, that thread spawn is this one. Provide the own register in the context, and block thread is this one, that process the turn execution, another way ready thread. Jacketing just now I tell to convert the blocking system call into the non-blocking call. And flush is this one to reclaim the page. Okay. Yeah. Now here you can see some related more important, that is mutex, semaphore, monitor and deadlock and rest condition. These are some related topic which is important for your operating system. Just now I told you. Now do this one. Which of the following are true about privileged instruction? What is the meaning of privileged instruction? Yes. Here you can see that A and B is the correct answer. What is privileged instruction? Privileged instruction are the special comment that can only execute in the kernel mode. This is the meaning of privileged instruction, or the privileged mode by operating system, kernel or privileged process. What they do? The privileged instruction perform the operation that require direct access to the hardware or other privileged resources. This is the main task. So this include the setting up memory mapping, accessing IO device, managing the exceptions. How they work? Like these are the some example. These are the some examples of privilege instruction, and that's why here you can see the C, this one, user application can execute the privilege instruction, not at all. Only kernel mode. It is particularly mentioned that only kernel mode is executing. That's why option C is wrong. And by eliminating option C only, you can do the answer. Okay. Just if you know that what is the meaning of privileged, that in user mode it is not happening, in kernel mode it is happening. So eliminate and do the answer. Okay. Now do this. A thread is dispatchable unit of work does not execute. Two statements are there related to thread. Answer. Okay, most of you are giving option D is the correct answer, but it is wrong. Option D is wrong. Here this is the correct answer. Statement 1 is true and statement 2 is false. The thread is dispatchable unit of work does not execute sequentially and not interruptible. This one, statement 1 and statement 2, both are incorrect. Both are incorrect. Why you are thinking ki it is correct? Most of you are thinking that it is not possible to alter the behavior of the thread by altering its context when thread is suspended. It is false because it is possible. It is possible. Here you can see it was given that not possible. It is incorrect because the context of thread include its register value, program counter and other execution related information. When a thread suspended, its context can be saved, modified and then restored. When the thread resume execution, this allow the change in behavior of the thread. Okay. Okay, so that's why this is also false and this is also false. Both are incorrect. This is also incorrect. The thread is dispatchable. This is incorrect because thread is the basic unit of execution within process and does execute sequentially. It is given that not execute sequentially. That's why it is false. Read question carefully, then answer. By mistake, if you are selecting wrong answer, then by mistake your selection will be also gone. Don't do mistake. Okay, next question. In design protocol of critical section, simple, very simple. This is entry code because it is your way how it is going on. This is entry section, then critical section, exit section, then remainder section. So it is your answer. Yes, these are the some related topic. Here you can see again question. True about mutual exclusion. Very important concept. So many hearts are coming. My screen is full of hearts. Yes, these hearts are giving me energy. These hearts are giving me energy. Okay, चलते रहो, करते रहो marathon. Right, give me energy. Yes, thank you. Yeah. So here I can see that mutual exclusion ensure the one and only process can be critical section at any point of this. So it is correct answer. Here it is true. Here B is also true, C is also true, but D is not true because mutual exclusion allow the multiple process. It is not allowing multiple process in a critical section simultaneously. The basic of critical section is that, okay, at the same time only one process will come to the critical section. That is the most important process. Multiple processes not coming. So by eliminating D only you can do the answer. Just eliminate D and answer. Done. Right. So that's why just one time overview, go through the statement and point out that where I can eliminate. Elimination is the best method to do the answer. Most of the time, okay, you are reading, oh, A, B, this. Don't do that. Just overview and point out that which one is wrong, eliminate and get the answer. Okay. Yes. Now next one. Do this. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you. Achha, I will do one recording, okay? Everyone just press the heart and I want to see this heart. This will give me energy. Just I want to do just small recording. Everyone press heart at a time. Yes, in the live session when I am checking these hearts, this is giving me energy. This is the boost of my energy. So many hearts are coming in the class. Yes, no lunch, no dinner, no rest. Only this like, share, subscribe and this so many hearts are giving me energy, right? Really, it's looking amazing. So good. Thank you, thank you. So good. Hello. Yeah. So here the critical region, wait and signal and this working set and deadlock. So here your answer is definitely this one. Critical section is related with mutual exclusion. A with 2. You can eliminate everything. Very quickly you can do the answer, right? Yeah. Now do this. Next, quickly do this. Okay, it's okay. And now you can stop. Now you can stop. Do the question. Now you can stop. It's not required more. I am full. I am full. My energy is full. Not required more. Do this. Which of the following is correct here? Process, critical section, thread. These are the main topic of operating system. Yes, again you can see that. Here the periodically testing variable until the same value appear known as busy waiting. This is completely wrong. Option C is wrong because what is busy waiting? You can see here that what is busy waiting? Waiting in a operating system consists of two approaches. One is namely busy waiting and another is sleep waiting. So busy waiting is defined the process where process or the task continuously checking. Okay, are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Continuously keep on checking. That's why it is called busy waiting. Continuously busy in waiting. And the process waits for condition to satisfied. Okay, so wherever the sleep waiting, define the process where the task or the process does not consume processor when it is waiting for the condition to be satisfied. So it is not at all consuming the processor to check multiple times. It is ready or ready or ready not. It is sleeping. Whenever condition satisfied, it will wake up. It will wake up. Just like that, you are waiting for you are waiting in a train station. Now train is late. So now what you will do? Okay, you will sleep. And some people will do, is this coming? Is this coming? Is this coming? Like that. That is the meaning of busy waiting. They are not able to sleep. They are always, they know it will not come. They know the train is delayed for 2 hours. But still keep on checking. When it will come? When it will come? That is called busy waiting. Sleep waiting, okay, train is late, go to sleep. When it will come, I will wake up. Got it? That is the meaning of busy waiting and sleep waiting, and that's why option C is wrong here. And then option E, the printer daemon continuously check to see if any file to be printed or not. This is also wrong, because printer daemon, whenever you are coming to the line printer daemon, provide the printer service for the local or remote user. Okay, so this statement is partially correct actually. While printer daemon can periodically check, it is not checking continuously, it is periodically checking the job, saying that continuously. That's why it is not fully correct. Periodically, after 10 nanosecond, after 10 millisecond, it will check. Every time continuously it is not checking, it is checking periodically. That's why this is wrong. So option E is also wrong. So A and B is the correct, B and D is the correct answer. A is also wrong. Why A is wrong? The processor always check the state currently executing process entered to the critical schema. This is also wrong because two things are there. One is busy waiting, another is sleep waiting. That's why option A is also wrong. So only B and D is correct. Concept clear? Hi Sharma. Hi. Now do this. The average time required to search a storage location in the memory and obtain its content is called what? Yes, that is access time. Simple answer. Access time is the answer. So here you can see the difference between access time, latency time, response time and reading time, because sometimes you are getting confused here between this. Access time, the time take to locate and deliver the content for a specific memory location. Latency time is the average time to take for the sector being accessed to rotate. And response time, the time taken for the server application to respond the data. And reading time, it's estimate how long it will to read an article. Okay? Okay. Ma'am, actually I watch your all YouTube session recorded, but today I got a chance. It was so good, I inspired. Thank you Sharma. Thank you. Those who are watching recording come sometimes live, so I can meet with you virtually. I can remember your name. When we will meet, then I can, okay, you are my YouTube follower. Come live sometimes to say hi. Yes, I am your follower. I am watching. I can understand, right? Thank you Sharma. Do this. Again, assertion reason. Increasing number of page frame. The answers are coming. Very good. Now you are able to find out. And still now some people are doing mistake in assertion reason, like Rajesh, Ramaya, Till now you are not asking yourself why. You are not asking yourself why. The increasing number of page frame allocated number of same times increase the page fault. The locality of reference is totally different. It is not at all related to this. This is not at all related to this. Okay. So not a correct explanation. Why you are marking correct explanation? It's not at all. Locality of reference in cache. This is called locality of reference. Locality of reference is computing phenomena. Describe that computer repetitively access the same memory location over a short period of time. Same area it is checking again and again. Like cache memory uses concept to improve the computer performance. This is locality of a reference. With the page fault, there is no relation of locality of reference. That's why although both are true, it is not the correct explanation. Okay, you are from Himachal Pradesh. Okay, in Himachal Pradesh normally a network issue is there, right? That's why you people are downloading and then you are watching. I know there are so many learners from Himachal Pradesh. This question we did already. Do this one. Arrange the level of interrupt protection in Linux kernel. Himachal is my favorite place. I went there 2 times for trip. I love this place. Really, very nice place. Yeah. So your answer, अरे भाई, who is doing mistake? This today's all India thought. India का thought मत सोचिए भाई, आप पहले आपका thought सोचिए. You are doing too much mistake. Now for few time, I think if you are preparing for exam, then focus on your exam. Because all over India, what's going on, if you are focusing on that, you will be not able to pass the exam. Okay, so please better to focus on your studies. So here interrupt protection for this, what is the correct answer? Increasing priority. Priority it is asking. So increasing means here it is low to high. So low priority is always user mode is getting low priority. That's why user mode is the starting one. You can eliminate directly. And always high priority is the top half. Top half is the high priority. So this is the last one. So from starting and ending only you can do the answer. Okay. Okay. Now do this. These are the system call. Very, very important system call. For clone, pthread, thread. Okay. Dharmashala, you went from there actually trip started, right? From Dharmashala only we have to go anywhere. Yeah. Yes, here your answer is clone. Now what are the things for the system call? Here you can see that fork is actually for creating the process. New process you are creating with fork. Okay. Exit. This is the exit system call used for program terminates the execution. EXEC is execute. The new program will start executing after the call to EXEC, that is execute. And here are some file management operation like open. You are going to open a file. Read the file system. It is going to read. Write, that is write operation. Close, that is close operation. So here are some device management like IC IOCTL means input output control. This is for input output control. Other than that, gate, PID, alarm, sleep, these are also there. That is not that much important. So from here only you got the question that this is the answer. When clone is invoked, it is pause the flag. So answer is clone. Now here You can see. Just now I explain you fork, execute, kill, exit. Just now I explain, and our question is here. Yes, you are able to select it. Very good. So yes, create the child process. A is with 4. So this is everywhere. Now I have to think where I have to focus. Your focus will change your answer, and easily you can find out the answer. If you focus on D, then you can get your answer, because this is already eliminated. Now if you focus on D, that is exit. So exit indicates the terminate of current process. By doing this D, you can quickly choose the answer. Always think that where I should focus to get my answer. That will be the quick way. Now this is the most popular topic. Every time nowadays examiners are asking question from the red level. Very popular topic, red level. Red, you have to go, you have to learn the red level if you are going for exam. Without red level, don't go to exam hall, because they are repeating multiple time. Again and again they are repeating this question. Here red level 2, 3, 4, 5, you need to match. What is the answer? Yes, you can see here the answer is 2 here, right? You can see this is the answer. Why this is the answer? Here you can see red 0. Red 0 is the fastest level, and ideally non-critical data needs the read and written quickly. Red 1, also known as Dix mirroring, and the keep for the hard for the synchronize, and know if one fails, their exact copy will be there. That's why mirror. Red 5 is the good balance. Red 10, here it is combination of 1 0, and red 6, it is the 2 separator. Other than that, here I will suggest you to remember these keywords for the red level. Red level 0, stripped disk array without fault tolerance. There is no fault tolerance. Multiple time question came from here. Level 1, mirroring and duplexing is the keyword for level 1. Level 2, error correcting code. Level 3, bit interleave parity. Level 4, dedicated parity. Level 5, blocked interleave distributed parity. Level 6, independent data disk with double parity. Just remember this chart, and 100% sure you are getting question from here. Every time they are asking question, just memorize it and go. You will get the matching question from here. It is 100%. Okay. Yes. You can see here. Just now we did, and here again another red level question. वो रेड लेवल नहीं है, रेड लेवल चाय वो नहीं है, ये रेड लेवल है डिस्क का. ओके, डू दिस. Quick. 2, 3, 4, 6. Yes. Here you are able to answer here, because red level 2 is here. Whenever you are doing, that is error correcting. It is focusing on error correcting. Red level 3, it is bit interleaved, and block interleaved, that is red level 4, blocked interleaved. And red level 6, read Solomon code, it is related with red level 6. So that's why this is your answer. Yeah. So with this I am going to end the session. All the important topic we have discussed. As I told you, I promise you 2:30 I will leave you. You will also take lunch. I will also take lunch. So I hope the session is useful for you. All important topics of operating system I discussed with numerical and theory. So एक like तो बनता है. Like, share, subscribe, and please let comment. When I am feeling very much upset and demotivated, I am reading the comments. Really, I love to read your comments. So please write down your comment. It can be positive, it can be negative. Those who dislike, give me your, जितना भी गाली देना है दे दो कमेंट पे, नो प्रॉब्लम. अगर मुझे पसंद नहीं है तो क्यों पसंद नहीं है बता दो कि हाँ इसलिए मुझे पसंद नहीं है, और अगर पसंद है तो बता दो हाँ इसलिए पसंद है. Whatever, but you can write down your comment. Okay, so write down no here, not here, not here. After ending the live you can come back and you can write it down in the comment section. In the live section if you are writing, your comment will be not stored. Okay, anyways, Radhe Radhe. Chalo, bye bye everyone. See you again tomorrow. I am planning to take the DBMS in the same time, 12 or 12 will be better, because either 12 or I will do one thing 1:30. After lunch also I can take. I will try to take from the digital board, and tomorrow will be DBMS super dhamaka. You know DBMS is my favorite subject, so we will do that. ठीक है, चलो bye everyone. See you again tomorrow. Be ready. I will try after lunch 1:30. From 1:30 we will start and 3:30 I will end. That will be better. ठीक है. अच्छा, tomorrow is Saturday. Oh, tomorrow is Saturday. Then 1:30 will be difficult. Then make it 3. Saturday means holidays. So tomorrow I will do 3 or 3:30 with that time we will do. ठीक है. I will inform you. Bye.